Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's art class. In today's art class, we are going to make this trending food Rakhi. For that, we need these materials. I use white homemade clay and green clay. We can use Fevicryl, acrylic colors or Rangila colors. You can use any talcum powder. Spread it on your base. Take a green color clay. Make a roll like this. Do like this and make a oval shape. Cut it in proper shape. I use safety pin here for giving impression. Draw two standing lines. Draw like this. Now draw slanting lines from both sides of this leaf. I make this leaf shape. This is our base of Rakhi. Take a small quantity of white clay. Roll it and divide into two equal parts. Make a roll like this and press it with finger. Now I give here some impression with brush hairs. Do like this. Make a roll and press with finger. Give idli shape here. If you don't have brush, you can use safety pin and do like this. Make some points here. Our small idlis are ready now. Make a roll with white clay. Use some talcum powder on base. I apply here talcum powder and roll like this. I make here oval shape. For painting, you can use these Rangila colors or acrylic colors. We students don't have any colors. They can use sketch pen like this. I use now yellow sketch pen. This is the refill of yellow sketch pen. Just dip in little water and I give here impression of yellow color. This is the ink refill inside of sketch pen. I use light yellow color. Observe me and do like this. Now I use yellow chrome color. Draw circles like this. Do coloring like this. Observe me carefully. Now I use skin color in sketch pen. I use it for just shading. Our dosa is ready now. I spread some talcum powder on dosa. Apply Fevicol like this. And make a roll carefully. Do like this. Take a small circle of white clay. I use back side of sketch pen. Insert like this and make a bowl. Make two bowls like this. Put a small quantity of Fevicol. You can crush this white clay inside this Fevicol, or you can add this white color in Fevicol. And add some talcum powder for thickness. Mix it well. This is our chutney. Place it like this. Again put some Fevicol. You can add this red color. Just crush this red clay and mix it well in Fevicol. Or I use here red color. If you don't have color, you can use clay. I mix red color in Fevicol, and for some thickness I add here talcum powder. This is our red chutney. Fill it in bowl. Now for sambar, I use red color and small quantity of black color. Or if you have brown color, you can use it. Add some talcum powder and Fevicol, red color and small quantity of black color. Use very small quantity of black color. Make it this mixture in dark red color and fill it in bowl. For decoration you can use green color. I use here green clay. Give curry patta leaves effect. Put some green clay like this. I add some white clay in sambar. I use here original black mustard seeds. You can use black clay also. This is rai sarso. For vegetable effect in sambar, I use here different colors of clay. You can make Rakhi only with idli chutney and sambar, or you can make Rakhi with dosa only. These are our two Rakhis. I cut oval shape from notebook cover page. Apply Fevicol and paste ribbon like this. Again apply Fevicol and paste our Rakhi base. This is our Rakhi base. Paste over it like this. Now apply Fevicol and paste our all food. Set like this. Look our yummy dosa. Our plate is ready now and our Rakhi is also ready now. I color here white with bowl. I use just finger. And color like this. Look at this, it looks very beautiful. In this bowl, I insert red clay for sambar and painting with sketch pen, green, brown and black sketch pen I use there. Make this trending beautiful Rakhi and send me pic of your Rakhi with your name and class. Okay students, thank you. Do subscribe and ring the bell icon and give comment.